Hi, this is Sri from Techietalks AI. In this video, what we are going to do is, we are going to add a text file based RAG. So we saw PDF based RAG, we saw website URL based RAG. Here we will add a text file. Let's see how it works. So here is our sample website with our chatbot embedded. Let's click on it, and on the left sidebar, you will see upload text documents. So let's upload a text document and see how it looks. Okay, I'm dropping a text file and process one text document. See this? And now that is also available in the RAG system. So this is a very short video. So let's see how you can run this. All the code that you need to run this chatbot is available. You just need to execute one command to get this running. You need Docker installed on your system. So you need to git clone the Techietalks AI GitHub repo URL. The URL is there in the description. I'm not cloning it. I've already cloned. Then cd into Techietalks AI folder and then 0011 folder. That is where you have all the files needed for it. And remember, the env.example you need to rename as .env after adding your API keys. And how do you run it? Docker compose up -d. That is it. Your application is up and running, and you have the text-based RAG as well. So we saw PDF-based RAG where you can drag and drop PDF files with containing your local knowledge, text file, and also website. So this has become a complete RAG system implemented in a chatbot. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe, and give your valuable comments in the comment section. See you again in another video. Bye-bye.